Alright, changing the drive belt, the main belt on the Bobcat S300. Things you need to know. There's an access door right there. Take that off, you can get things a lot better. Right back here, take out your air filter housing. You've got a hose clamp right here, loosen that up and slide it down. You've got your sensor, make sure you unplug that, don't rip that wire off. There's a couple bolts right there, one will be above the housing and one below. You'll need to take them out. Slide that thing right out of here. Up top you've got rubber snorkel up there. You can leave that on the housing and just fish it out of there if you want to. Now down here is where the belt goes. You want to take your battery out so you can get at that. Right up here is the tightener. That bolt right there, 3/4. Just loosen that up so that your idler, your tightener down there can swing up out of the way. You've got to stop right here, loosen up that 3/4 inch bolt. Make sure you mark it back here so when you're done and put it back, you know where that goes. That'll slide back forward. Right now your tightener's hitting against it. That's why you had to loosen this up. When you put your belt on, the best way I found was to loop it around the front and the idler, go over the top of this pulley here and then spin it clockwise so that she rolls on back here. And you got to watch right here, kind of put a twist on it as you're turning it so that it stays on the front pulley. Otherwise it'll tighten up as it goes off up there. Hope that helps.